Here is the front passenger knuckle fully disassembled. Up next is going to be cleaning the hub assembly and all of the things that go with it. And then I'll be pressing in new races and a new axle seal. Got some greasy fasteners in here. Go ahead and start cleaning the knuckle. Good enough for me. These fasteners all cleaned up and drying. Old seal. Test fit. New bearing race, fresh from the freezer. Time to get some wheel studs put in. Packing bearings. To button up the backside of the hub and rotor assembly, we'll tap in this new seal. Let's go ahead and get the axle seal out in the middle. Little cleanup.